People spread out to find Alahi. And you're still nowhere to be found. The mother was extremely sad. People in the village were worried and felt insecure. Then an old man said, people were so scared. They knew who she was. Nina Pakandi was an evil fairy. She liked to kidnap children at night. Explain Labadu. The baby was crying.
Yeah.
After a while, Nene Pakandi came. She approached the baby. But before she grabbed the baby, mengajarkan saya untuk bertanggung jawab dan di Boswa saya dapat menguatkan mental karena proyek-proyeknya di pengetahuan dan mudah-mudahan tetap ada. Achievement and Experiences Student Council Member 2019-2020, Ketua Divisi Kedisiplinan dan Bela Negara, and First Winner TikTok Competition 2021. Testimonial selama di Boswa School Makassar, saya mendapat banyak pelajaran baik dari segi agama dan pengetahuan. Diajarkan menjadi lebih disiplin, kreatif, dan menghargai waktu. Terima kasih untuk semua guru-guru dan staf Boswa School Makassar. Semoga Boswa School Makassar semakin sukses.
Syarifah Adian Magfira was born in